Friends, do you want to lose weight besides increasing your immunity? See, we will share benefits of black pepper, काली मिर्च, काली मिर्च के फायदे. In India, spices are the essence of Indian cuisines. Black pepper, kali mirch, contains rich iron, calcium, potassium, sodium, vitamin A, vitamin K, rich in vitamin C, and black pepper is best antioxidant. Black pepper makes food dishes, vegetables, curries very delicious in taste. Chew in mouth 2 to 4 pieces in the morning on empty stomach. It will boost your immunity. Strong, very strong increased immunity you will get. And like that, you will be more stronger, more capable, and best stronger you will be to fight and kill viral attack, if any, against you. Besides all, kali mirch, black pepper, is an excellent fats burner. Hence, number one spice it is for losing weight. Its one content compound piperin, which enhances our metabolism, thus burns calories more faster. Besides, increases good cholesterol in us too. Black pepper eases your digestion, and helps you to digest food faster. Very important to note it is, if you consume black pepper in excess quantity, that can cause many side effects in you. Next drink, you can prepare very tasty, healthy green tea with black pepper, and you take 1 glass of water, pinch crushed ginger you add, boil gently, then stop fire, then dip green tea inside the glass. Don't heat it. Add half teaspoonful powdered black pepper, stir, and drink very tasty green tea. Enjoy. Next, in morning on empty stomach you can take black pepper powdered, kali mirch powdered, in honey. Initially small quantities you can take 1 teaspoonful say honey and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powdered. Mix it, then drink. If you wish, you can add little water also, 1 teaspoonful. Best weight losing it is, because best burning the calories. It burns fats very fast. Then you can lose more kg fats. Your body weights more kg you can lose. You can consume for it black pepper oil. If 100% pure oil black pepper is available in market, take 1 or 2 drops pure black pepper oil in 1 glass. Add 1 full glass normal water, stir it, drink on empty stomach in the early morning. But you have to take breakfast after 1 hour of it. Next, you can add powdered black pepper, kali mirch, in fruit juices too. Sprinkle on salad. Sprinkle on cooked vegetables. Don't cook black pepper while cooking vegetables. What it gives natural based taste. in fruit juices, in salad, in cooked vegetables too. Besides it, it gives best immunity enhancer. Besides it, it gives best fats burner. अजून काय पाहिजे यार? Then it is very beneficial. Important is it is very beneficial to consume black pepper in the morning on empty stomach. In the morning, about 1 hour before the breakfast, because in morning your stomach is empty. For best results, chew 2 to 4 pieces in your mouth on empty stomach in the morning, or you can consume powdered black pepper with honey in the morning on empty stomach, or you can also consume black pepper oil 1 to 2 drops in 1 glass of water in the early morning on empty stomach, or with green tea you can consume black pepper at any time, or you can consume powdered black pepper in salads, in juices, in cooked vegetables. Avoid adding black pepper, kali mirch while cooking. You don't cook black pepper on fire or in steam, because steam and fire kills all vitamins and mineral contents of black pepper. Use black pepper either fresh raw or sprinkle over salads, vegetables and juices. But better beneficial is consume black pepper, kali mirch about 1 hour before the breakfast on an empty stomach. Now important is, besides all, black pepper is best antioxidant. Black pepper has anti-inflammatory properties too. Black pepper benefits brain activities, stimulates brain, helps to function properly by making brain more active, thus helps in depression. Black pepper improves blood sugar control. Black pepper lowers cholesterol levels. Black pepper, kali mirch have cancer fighting properties, since it helps in removing harmful free radicals. Besides a versatile spice, black pepper is antibacterial, thus helps to cure cold and cough too. As such, it's mixed with honey and consumed. Black pepper helps to alleviate chest congestion, which might be caused due to pollution or due to flu or due to any viral infection. Add black pepper to hot water and add 1 to 2 drops of eucalyptus oil. Inhale its steam then. This steam is very important since it contains rich vitamin C, thus that works as a good antibiotic too. Then black pepper is brilliant in extracting nutrients from the food you eat, thus it increases metabolism. Black pepper helps your body to get rid of excess water, excess toxins. As such, it's best in weight loss, but simultaneously you must control its consumption. I mean quantity. It should be in limits. A pinch in meals is enough. No excess. In excess quantities, it yields many side effects. Best nature's exfoliator is black pepper with honey plus curd or fresh cream. Black pepper enables blood circulation, provide the skin with more oxygen. When added to food, black pepper stops unwarranted skin wrinkles, even cures white patches, white spots in the skin. Black pepper should be stored properly in dry, cool, dark place in airtight containers so as to retain its flavor and to last it longer. Better will be to grind it in whole. See, uncooked, unsteamed black pepper, kali mirch is better to consume or as fresh and raw to have more benefits. Now other side we may see don't consume in excess quantities. In excess its side effects are gastric problems. Next, stomach upset. Next side effect, irritation in intestine. Next side effect, miscarriage during pregnancy. Hence, pregnant woman must not consume black pepper, kali mirch.